Today, I want to share a dish with you that is so incredibly simple, but so deeply satisfying. We're making Burmese egg fried rice, or ket upatamin kyao. It's honestly like a taste of home in a bowl, no matter where your home is. And that really is the heart of this dish, isn't it? It's one of those magical recipes where the smell of garlic and onion and that toasted sesame oil just fills the air and makes you feel instantly cozy and warm. Hello, and a very warm welcome to the Asian Food Diary. I am so happy you're here to cook this beautiful recipe along with me. Let's get right into it. Now, this isn't some fancy, complicated dish with a million steps. Not at all. Its real beauty is in how simple it is. It's a treasured classic in Burmese homes, that go-to meal that's super quick to whip up, but always feels like a special treat. It's just pure comfort.
Okay, so let's see what we'll need. And I think this is one of the best things about this fried rice. It uses really simple, everyday ingredients that just come together to create something absolutely delicious.
So for our rice, we're using basmati. I just love those long, beautiful grains that stay fluffy and separate. Then we need 2 fresh eggs for those soft, creamy bits that run through the rice. For our aromatics, just 1 small onion and 3 nice big cloves of garlic will build that perfect savory base. And to season everything, just a bit of salt, some flavor powder for that amazing umami depth, a little black pepper for a gentle kick, and then, the final touch, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil for that incredible nutty fragrance. As with any great dish, a little bit of prep makes all the difference. Just taking a few minutes to get everything organized before you even turn on the stove, well, it's the key to making the whole cooking process smooth and really enjoyable. First things first, let's talk about the heart of our dish, the rice. You're going to want to rinse your basmati rice about 3 times, just until the water isn't super cloudy anymore. Then, pop it in your rice cooker and let it do its thing. Now, this next part is really important. Once it's cooked, spread it out on a tray or a big plate to cool down completely. A gentle fluff with a fork will help separate all those grains, getting them ready for the pan. Okay, now here is the #1 secret to perfect fried rice texture. Are you ready? Use day-old leftover rice if you have it. If not, just make sure your freshly cooked rice is completely cool. Why? Well, as the rice cools, the grains firm up and lose some of that surface moisture. This is what prevents them from turning into a mushy, clumpy mess in the wok. It's the trick to getting that fluffy, restaurant-style fried rice where every single grain stands on its own. So while our rice is cooling, we can get everything else ready. Go ahead and mince your garlic up really fine. We want all that amazing flavor. Slice your onion into thin little strips. Then crack your 2 eggs into a bowl and just give them a good whisk until they're nice and smooth. See, everything is prepped and ready for the fun part. All right, this is my favorite part. This is where all that prep comes together in a beautiful sizzle. It all happens pretty fast from here, so make sure you have all your ingredients right next to the stove. Let's get cooking. So first, heat up your oil in a wok or a big pan. When you see it start to shimmer, in go the onion and garlic. You're just going to saute those until they're soft and your whole kitchen starts to smell absolutely incredible. Next, pour in those whisked eggs and scramble them gently for a couple of minutes. Right as they're setting, it's time to add all of that beautiful, cool, fluffy rice. Toss it all together, and then sprinkle in your salt and flavor powder, making sure every grain gets coated. And for the grand finale, that drizzle of toasted sesame oil and a little bit of black pepper. Give it one last big stir fry for about a minute, and that's it. You're done. And there you have it. Just look at that. A gorgeous plate of golden, fragrant Burmese egg fried rice. Each grain is perfectly cooked, and you've got those little bits of creamy egg and sweet onion and garlic all the way through. This is ready to eat right now, while it's steaming hot and the aroma is just heavenly. It's so savory and comforting, it's honestly perfect all on its own for a super quick and satisfying meal. It truly is a taste of home. I could eat a whole bowl just like this, but I'm curious, what's your favorite thing to add to fried rice? Maybe some crispy fried shallots, a spoonful of chili oil, some fresh green onions? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'd be so grateful if you gave it a like and subscribe to the Asian Food Diary for more delicious adventures. I can't wait to see you in the next one.